Hi, today it's Mother's Day, and my wife Beverly has popped down to see her mother down here near Swanley, near where they live in Crockenhill. I don't go, so I thought I'd spend some time down at Swanley Station, and as normal I got caught unawares as soon as I arrived, as an engineer's train went through with some empty rail trucks, but I just managed to capture it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trains in the next hour, so hopefully I'm going to capture some of those. And then next Saturday I'm off to Morecambe, Lancaster, Scunthorpe for the football, and I intend to walk along Morecambe Bay. Anyway, let's see what happens in the next hour or so. Okay, so this is the 1326 Thameslink service to Sevenoaks. Wasn't sure which direction it was going to come from. And again, I got caught out. I didn't expect it to come from that direction. I've actually bought a ticket for this train to go to Ainsford, just to get me officially onto the platform. But I don't intend to use it. Down there. I'm not sure which way it's going to go. I imagine it's going to go off to the right. Yes, I was correct. Right, so this is the 1339 to Gillingham. Victoria to Sittingbourne train. And this is the 39 Gillingham that just arrived, departing. Okay, the next train is 1348 Sevenoaks to Victoria. So I've now come to the other end of platforms 1 and 2, and here it comes, another Thameslink train.
1348 Thameslink service to London Victoria. Calling at St Mary Cray, Bickley, Bromley South, Shortlands, Ravensbourne, Beckenham Hill, Bellingham, Catford, Crofton Park, Nunhead, Peckham Rye, Denmark Hill and London Victoria. This train
So this is the 1352 Canterbury West Victoria service.
Platform 2 of 1356 Thameslink service to Sevenoaks.
shortly to arrive around the corner will be the 1356 service to Sevenoaks. So I've been here for over half an hour already. Sorry, it's the 1356 Victoria to Sevenoaks. I said it was the 52. Dear, dear, dear. It's one of those Thameslink, terrible with their colours of their trains. Horrible white things with stupid blue doors and that stupid sign. Okay, this is the 1404 Victoria to Canterbury West. Missed it. I suppose it's come the other way. Bam!
For the 1480 Thameslink service to London Victoria. Toilet St Mary Cray, Bickley, Bromley South, Shortland, Railway School, Bedford Hill, Gillingham, Caterbury, Bromley Park, Swanley,
So this takes me around to the end of the hour, because this was the first train I saw arrive an hour ago.